In this video tutorial, we will show you how to download your assignment worksheets, fill them in, and then re-upload them back onto Google Classroom. So once you've logged into your Google Classroom, the first thing you want to do is click on the Classwork tab. In the Classwork tab, scroll down to where your assignment is located. So here we're going to look at the first week's assignment, Formative Ecology Assignments. Click on that, and you'll see some instructions on what to do, and also your assignments. Don't click this yet, go straight to View Assignment to see the full set of instructions, because eventually you're going to upload your work in this window over here. Next, don't just click on the assignments themselves. That will only bring up a preview window. In this preview window, you can't do anything. You can't enter any text. So what you're going to do is go back, instead of just left clicking, right click to show additional options. The one that we want is called Open Link in New Tab. Click on that. And our assignment shows up no longer in a preview mode, but it has additional options available to you at the top. The option we want to look at is called Open With. Click Open With and choose Lumen PDF. Now, if this is the first time you're using Lumen PDF, it will ask you to grant it permission to access and connect to your Google Drive. Give it permission, allow it to access your Google Drive. Depending on how fast your internet connection is, this may take a little bit of time, but once it's loaded up, you can now start typing in your answers and more answers. Now notice how there's a blue box surrounding your answer. That means your answer, whatever you wrote in here, is not saved yet. Click anywhere else on the sheet, the box disappears, and your answer is now saved. Please keep in mind that you do not have to answer the entire assignment all at once. You can do it in little small chunks. As soon as you save the answers, it is synchronized to your Google Drive, so you don't have to worry about losing all your answers and whatnot. So let's take it for example. If I shut this down, and then I decide to come back maybe a few hours later, just right click, Open Link in New Tab, go back here, Open with Lumen PDF, let it load up, and my answers are still stored there. Okay? So once you've finished filling out your entire assignment, see this button over here? It says Download. Click the Download button. It will save it to wherever your default folder is. I think mine is under the Download section. And if I click on this, yep, my answers are filled out and saved. We can now upload our completed assignment to our Google Classroom. So going back to the Google Classroom, in the top right hand corner there is a Add or Create button. Click on that, choose a file to upload. It'll ask you where your file is. Mine is stored in the Download section. Click on this one, that is my completed file. Open it up, press the Upload button, and depending again on how quick your internet access is, this might take some time. But there it is. Now be aware, some of your assignments may require you to upload multiple files. All right, just keep adding more and uploading whatever files you need to add in. But the important thing is, once you've finished adding in all the files you need or uploading all the files you need, don't forget to click the Turn In button. It doesn't matter if you upload all your assignments, until you click the Turn In button, your teacher cannot mark your assignment. All right, so once again, very, very important. Uploading your files is the first step. But once you've uploaded all the files you need for your assignment, don't forget to click the Turn In button. Otherwise, your teacher cannot mark your assignment. So that's it. If you have any further questions, please ask your teacher.